Now students, after doing the introduction of letter Y, we are going to do the exercises related to letter Y. So for that, open your book number 6, and in book number 6, you have to open page number 32, 33, 34 and 35 as well. Okay, and please mention today's date on the top of each and every page and classwork as well. Fine. So let's start with page number 3 to 32. Okay, students, here you have to do the practice of letter Y. Okay, so take the yaks with Y, means capital Y is written over here, and cross the yaks with small y. Okay, so this is a capital Y as I have shown. This is a capital Y and this is small y. Okay, so let's start. We will put tick on capital Y and cross to small y. So this is capital Y or small? It's capital Y. So for capital Y we will put tick. This is small y. For small y we will put cross. For capital Y we will put tick. For small y we will put cross. For capital we will put tick. And for small y, this is a capital Y, so we will put tick. This is a small y, we will put cross. And for capital Y we will put tick. Okay students, in this way you have to do this exercise. Fine. Now come on the page number 3333. Here you have to trace the letter. This letter you have to trace. This is a capital Y. Y says ya. Y ya, yach. And after tracing this letter, you have to color this picture. So let's start tracing and see the formation of capital Y. Fine. So here you require 3 lines. First is red line and 2 blue lines. Fine. So the first step of capital letter Y, as you can see here, we have to make one slant line from red line to blue line, the first blue line. Fine. Now see and do it. One slant line. Fine. And the second step we will go up in a slanting way. Fine. And the third step we have to make one standing line from blue line to blue line. Now students, after completing the letter, trace the letter of Y, ya, ya. So here we are going to color this yach. Y, ya, yach. For this you required a brown color, and here I am going to take blue color for this. Okay. Now I'll show you how. See students, here I have done the coloring in the picture of yach. In this way you have to do. After doing the coloring, you have to do trace and write on page number 3333 the letter capital Y. So let's start tracing from red line to blue line, then blue line to red line, then make one standing line between blue lines. Okay, capital Y. Which letter is this? Capital Y. Which letter is this? Speak. Capital Y. Which letter I am writing? I am writing capital Y. Like this. Okay. Now here we will do without dots. For that, keep your pencil on red line. Come to the blue line. In this way. Then blue line to red line. Make one more slant line in this way. Go upward direction. After doing these 2 slant line, we will make one standing line from blue line to blue line like this. Speak capital Y. And while writing you have to speak and write. Name the pictures. Y, ya, yak. Y, ya, yan. Y, ya, yoga. Y, ya, yo-yo. Y, ya, yach. Y, ya, yam. Y, ya, yolk. Okay students, in this way you have to do page number 3333. Now turn your page. Here we are going to learn small letter Y. So trace the letter, circle the picture whose name starts with Y. So firstly we are going to trace this. For that we require last 3 lines. We will not touch the upper line. Okay, we will start from this first blue line to the last red line. So the first step is we will make one slant line from blue line to blue line. Like this. Do it slowly, slowly. Yes. Now the second step is we will make one slant line, one more slant line towards downward direction from blue line to red line. Like this. Done? It's small y. Now tell me, why ya elephant? No. Why ya yo-yo? Yes. So we will circle the picture of yo-yo. Now after doing this circle, we have to trace and write small y. So let's start. The first step, from blue line to blue line, make one slant line. One more slant line from blue line to red line. Small y. Which letter is this? Small y. Which letter is this? Small y. Speak. Which letter is this? Small y. Now we will do without dots. Keep a pencil from blue line. Make one slant line from blue line to blue line. Again a big slant line from blue line to red line. It's small y. Y ya yach. Y ya yo-yo. Y ya yolk. Y ya yam. Y ya yarn. Y ya yoga. Y ya yak. Okay students, in this way you have to do the page number 3, 4, 34. Now come on the page number 3, 5, 35. Here we will do recap of letter capital Y and small y as well. Write capital Y below the yam. This is the picture of yam. So we have to write capital Y below the yam and small y below the yolk. This is yolk. So we will write small y below the yolk. So we have to identify which is yam and which is yolk. This is the picture of yam. This is the picture of yolk. So for yam we will write capital Y. For yolk we will write small y. For yam we will write capital Y. And for yolk we will write small y. For yam we will write capital Y. For yolk we will write small y. For yam we will write capital Y. For yolk we will write small y. For yam we will write capital Y. Okay students, in this way you have to do all the work in book number 6. Okay, now I'll show you the cursive workbook work in my next video. Thank you.